The biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing ripple splash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
As a leader, when you make a difficult decision that affects both clients and your team, what principles guide you? What do you refuse to compromise on?
In this business, difficult decisions aren't occasional. That's weekly. My compass isn't a spreadsheet. It's a set of principles ranked in a clear hierarchy. The guiding principle is always protect the client's project. Their site can't stop. Their budget is fixed. So when a factory misses a deadline for a quality issue emerges, or our first move is deploy a solution for the client, even before we negotiate whose fault it is. That may mean a freighting replacement or rerallying production. The client's timeline is sacred. But here's the critical balance. You cannot protect the client by burning out your team. So my second principle is be the buffer, not the bypass. I absorb the pressure from the client so my team can focus on executing the fix, not apologizing. I take the late night calls. I make the decision to eat a cost if it's the right thing to do so. My team needs the psychological safety to solve problems, not hide from them. What do I refuse to compromise on? 2 non-negotiable. 1, the truth. We never hide a problem or sugarcoat a delay. We communicate it clearly and early and with a solution already in motion. Compromising on transparency to avoid a hard conversation is stealing a client's chance to plan. It's a short-term fix that destroys long-term trust. The standard. We will not ask our team to cut corner on quality control to make a shipping date, and we will not ask client to accept a material that doesn't meet their specs. So if that means we have to have a brutal, honest, costly, difficult conversation with a factory and even walk away from what we do, the standard is the foundation of everything we do. Ultimately, my job is to stand in the store so my team can work and my client can sleep. The principle is always service over ego, doing what's right, not what's easy.